Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Vanita Vittal Gujran and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and do like and share my video, okay, if you feel like, okay. So today's topic is gonna be old soul and new soul as well, okay, because this topic popped up because one of my beautiful clients, she just asked me that what is old soul, I just want to know about it. And when I explained it to her, she was like, I'm really happy listening, you explained it very well. Okay, and I was like, okay, fine, if she's so happy just by listening what is old soul, what does it mean, I was like, okay, let it bring upon, on this video and share it with everyone. See, there might be there might be a couple of people who want to know, what is old soul and how is it all about. See, I can't say everything, okay, because the world is beyond our conscious mind, okay. So जितना मैं जानती हूँ, जितना अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के थ्रू मैं जानती हूँ, आई वुड लव टू शेयर दैट, okay. So now let's get started, guys. So what is old soul? Old soul is as simple as the name is, old and soul, okay. Yeah, I believe, like, इनमें से कुछ लोग who are watching this video, yeah, you see, you might believe in rebirth and some might not believe in rebirth or reincarnation, okay. So this is what it is: a soul which has taken lots and lots, you see, it can be 100 births as well, okay, in this planet, okay, in this planet called Earth, okay. And there are many other planets out there. कुछ हमें पता है कि क्या होता है, कुछ हमें नहीं पता कि क्या होता है, like what is, see okay, what is it all about, I mean, what all planets are there, okay. So जिन्होंने ये Earth realm में, okay, in this realm, who has taken lots and lots of birth, okay, it might be more than 100, more than 1,000, okay. So it's like that. So as ये souls के पास ना इतनी सारे life experiences होते हैं, इतने सारे, that they are kind of more matured, some, there will be some souls, लेकिन जो बच्चे होते हैं, but they will be so matured enough, because I have seen such souls, and like होते हैं in this birth, okay, in their current birth, they will be like so matured enough. If, like, if their parents says them like you should not do that, they'll be like, okay mama, I will not do it. It's like how a child, how a child can be so peaceful at the same time, and at the same time so, so matured. It is because they have so much of life experience with it. And the new souls are the one who don't have much life experiences, okay, like life actual, like birth 1, birth 2, birth 3, okay, like they might have just number of life experiences, especially in this earth realm, okay, especially in this realm. Because see, when the soul is coming, okay, coming into this world, we already decide who our parents are gonna be, in what environment we are gonna born, in which family we have to born. It will be it, it's always our decision. But coming into this world, being here, we just tend to forget, like it won't be in a conscious mind, but subconsciously definitely it will be there, okay. So like, and how it will be, like the soul is always excited to come here, okay, always super excited. See, even while doing channeling, I have, or even while doing reading, I'm a person who easily gets connected to younger souls, and not exactly like new soul, but I don't know what to say, like a child soul, you can say, or you can say, like a younger soul, okay, मतलब जो जिनको लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस करना है, who are like eager to come here, so yeah. So I really get connected to them, so I have heard, so many times, if someone asks, reading regarding their pregnancy and all, I could literally hear their voices like, they will be like, hey, tell my mama I'm very excited to come. I was like, oh god, what did I hear that? What was that? At the beginning, I used to literally feel that, like, what is it? So when when I experience, when I, like, जब मैंने उसके बारे में ज़्यादा like I thought about it, I felt about it, when I realized it, when I realized it, I just felt that, okay, it's nothing, that the soul is so excited that it can't resist, yeah, I want to come, to this realm. And see, it is always exciting for them, because this life, earth realm, is something different, something beautiful, like a person can reach to, like, from one realm, and just, like, if for example a soul belongs to the fourth realm, okay, and that soul decides to come, okay, I want to live here in the earth realm, I want to, neutral my karmas, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to learn this lesson of my life, I want to experience this thing in this lifetime. And then the soul decides, okay, fine, and the earth realm is so beautiful that the soul, if that soul decides, okay, no, this is what I have to do, and I will, enrich my soul with my experiences, okay. So when the soul learns the life lessons, okay, the soul can reach from the fourth realm to the sixth realm as well, okay, with his or her karmas, because the speed is, because this earth realm has speed, okay, मतलब वो स्पिरिचुअल रेम में ना तुम्हें वो ग्रोथ करने के लिए, फॉर दैट ग्रोथ यू माइट टेक थाउजेंड एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ years, but in this earth realm, just in, you can say 50 years you can do that, okay, or 60 years or 80 years or whatever you had decided the time, okay. So it's very short term in this earth realm, okay. So this is the reason why the soul is always so excited to come, and that is why, oh god, I'm like kind of getting out of track. Okay, so yeah, it is very simple, guys, very simple, okay. Old souls are the one who has lots of life experiences, see, though, a mom might be younger soul and the daughter might be an old soul, okay, you're getting that, like in this earth realm, okay. I have seen that, because mom will be not that mature, sometimes, but the child will be very much sensitive and very much mature. Yeah, another thing, old souls are always sensitive, okay, मतलब आज वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग इन द सराउंडिंग, अगर कुछ भी हो रहा है ना, उन्हें ऐसे पता लग जाता है, ओके ओके, समथिंग रॉन्ग इज हैपनिंग एंड दे विल स्टार्ट क्राइंग, और दे विल क्विकली रियलाइज इट, ओके, समथिंग इज हैपनिंग अराउंड मी, something messy is happening, I can sense it, I don't know, but I can sense it. This is the old soul, okay. And you can also say that they are more empathic, okay, like, as per normal people, okay, they tend to be more empathic, okay, मतलब कभी कभी वो अनहेल्दी एम्पैथी भी हो जाती है, it's kind of, sometimes it turns out to be unhealthy too, but most probably they are more empathic people, more understanding, more sensitive, okay. So it's like, it is very simple, guys, it is very simple. I don't know whether you guys have understood, or I have explained it the way I have explained it to my client. Because it's kind of video, I'm kind of nervous, or I'm not nervous, I'm confident, but yeah, I hope I really explained it quite well, okay. And if you have any queries or anything, you can directly DM me on my, or you can also comment, okay. I will just reply in your comment so that even other people can see it, okay. And yeah, if you want to DM me, you can DM me on my Instagram page or my Facebook page, wherever you would like to, okay. So yeah, stay tuned, lovely souls. I hope I have cleared some of the other doubts you had. So yeah, with lots of love, beautiful soul, doesn't matter you're an old soul or you're a new soul, just remember that you have your own journey. Just remember that there is a beautiful journey out there that you have decided for yourself, and you have to leave that. Lots and lots of love. As always say, always remember to love your zindagi.